Yeah, still speaking on work and earn, just like we've had in my previous video where I discussed on other work to earn apps. Um, like I've discussed based on Stephen, which is the master and the beginner of work to earn, who is actually ruling the industry of work to earn. I also spoke on other ones. Today I'll be speaking on this beautiful app called okay, let me just minimize. Now you see the name very well. It's called Aglet. Is it Aglet? Aglet is just like Steppen, but Aglet is not under the Solana ecosystem, just like Steppen is under the Solana ecosystem, or blockchain as the case may be. What I mean is just like it is. I mean, just using the same algorithm, the same way it flows, the same way you step to earn. So just like Steppen, here you need a sneaker. Like I'm clicking on myself now. This is my profile itself. So unlike Steppen, here one beautiful thing you can do here is that on Aglet is that you can create your profile, which will be visible to other users of Aglet. So this is my cute profile, very beautiful. I'm just an early adopter into the Aglet system. There are so many benefits of being an early adopter. You get a sneaker for being an early adopter. And remember, just like Steppen, this Aglet is also following the same protocol. So it's just the same thing, step to earn. So as you're stepping, you are earning their token. Yes, you'll be earning their token. So they have different one of them. I'll be taking us through that in the course of these videos. So after creating up your account, signing up and doing everything, you make sure you read all of the instructions, because there are a lot of instructions from the beginning, a lot of pop-ups. You read all of them, you make all of the setup work well. Then after doing all of those, you'll be welcomed with a very beautiful page where you need to set up your avatar. Let me use the word avatar. Yeah, so you set up your avatar just like I have set mine, and once you've done all of those, you'll be given a sneaker which you'll be using in the course of the stepping to earn, or the working to earn as the case may be. So without a sneaker or without anything on your feet, you can't earn. So you need to have a sneaker on your feet before you could actually earn. So it's the same thing like stepping, but they went a step further in making it very beautiful. I'll be explaining most of those during the course of this video. Now, the sneaker aspect, yes, this is mine. It's already on the 99%. So your sneaker always start with 100%. Just like the Steppen, there's always a way out. Your sneakers can get worn out, but what can you do? You could always repair them. So there are a lot of those things that could be done to your sneaker. Like this is my sneaker now. So what I'll be doing now is to be checking all of the details about this sneaker by just tapping on the sneaker itself. You could see below the sneaker you have the percentage. That is the life of the sneaker for now. Then you have an icon that shows the G, the C, and the P. What is GCP? GCP just simply means the grip, the comfort, and the protection. So it's just how, as you are stepping, how the sneaker could grip to the ground very well, how comfortable the sneaker is, and how it could also protecting you from what, gripping what, and comfortable what. You might be asking, like, you're not wearing these sneakers physically, but you are using them in the device. So it's the same thing that applies to your physical sneaker, which you use when you are working physically. I'll also be explaining more on that in the course of this video. So all of these things fluctuates depending on the weather condition. Exactly. So the same way you're experiencing your weather condition in the real life is the same way you'll be experiencing it here on Aglet. Everything has been synchronized to work the same way. So if rain is falling in the physical world, rain is also falling in the Aglet world. So whatever you do in the Aglet world is like whatever you are doing in the physical world, like work-wise. Let me use that term, work-wise. So you can't walk barefooted or barefooted in the rain. So you need to wear an appropriate shoe. So there are shoes that are not appropriate, which you could not need to, that is, which you should not wear during the course of walking in the rain. While there are very beautiful and nice shoes which has enough grip, enough comfort, and enough protection from the rain that you could actually use in the rain and earn more from walking in the rain. Yes, I wanted to say this. So when the rain is falling, it actually synchronizes together. That is why I said when you are setting it up, you make sure you pay attention to every detail, because all of this would have also been you would have read all of this alongside all of those things that I said you'll be reading when you are signing up. So all of them are there. Then you also you'll be granting permission to your location, to your Google Feed, and a lot of beautiful functions. For those of you who have been using StepN, you should understand all of this. But for those of you that have not been using StepN, stay to the end of this video and you get a sense of everything about work to end. So that is that on GCP. So you could see the GCP here. The G is about 3 out of 5. The C is about, that's the comfort, is about 4 out of 5. And the P, which is the protection that this sneaker gives to you using the sneaker, is about 4 out of 5. So you can say this sneaker is still good. So the grip is how well it grips. So let's go below. We see the earning rate. So with this sneaker that I have now, I earn 3 of the tokens, 3 of the Aglet tokens per 1,000 steps. So meaning if I walk 1,000, if I take 1,000 steps, I get 3 of the token using this sneaker. I have other sneakers, but using this sneakers, that's what I get. Then the maximum boost rate I can get from this sneaker is around 48 Aglet token to 1,000 steps. And the durability, that is the protection rate, is around 16. Then this shoe is under Type 5. That's the class it falls under. So it's what do I call it? Do I call it a rare type? It's under Type 5. We have different types. I'll be showing you all of those in the marketplace. Then we have the lifetime steps. That's the steps you take over time. So I've taken just 406 steps over time. I don't work too much like that. I'm always one place, working with my system, doing a lot of work. Yeah. So this is the price at which I purchased this. I purchased it at 55 Aglet tokens. And the number of times you can always repair a shoe is written here. So before you buy any sneaker, sorry for using the word shoe, it's a sneaker. So before you buy any sneaker, you must check the number of repairs that are remaining, so that you could know, okay, am I paying well to get this sneaker? So for this, 2 of 2, so it's still okay. It has not been repaired at all, so I'm the best user. So you might be buying a sneaker out there, you'll be like, you have to check all of these things to make sure they're in place. So if the sneaker is showing 0 of 2, meaning as you're getting the sneaker, nothing must happen to it, though something will always happen to it as you keep on using it. There's all called wear and tear of it, so it will end up wearing out. So it means you can't repair it. You can only use it for once, and once it's gone, it's gone. So that is how that works. Okay, so moving on below is just the story telling you everything about it. There are different whatever that they are working on. They are working on different things that could actually make your sneaker a unique one. So like this sneaker now, what makes it unique is all of these gold Aglet. You can see it there. We have the Aglet logo. The logo is right there. We can see the leather, that is the upper part of the shoe. We have the lace and the metaverse power. So these are beautiful things that makes it so many of these things are things you could always read at your leisure time. So we have the statistics which shows how you are doing well, how you've been working. So for those who have a healthy routine of exercise, this is very beautiful. It's like you killing multiple birds with just a stone. So you can be doing your daily routine of exercising, and you can also be earning from doing that. So beautiful thing about this app is you don't need to pay for it. It's free to download it from Play Store. You sign up, using my referral link, which is below. So when you use my referral link, which is below, you get an extra sneaker. Added to the exact one that you'll be given. When you register normally without an invitation code, you get the sneaker. But if you use mine, you'll be getting an extra sneaker, which is making yours too. So you'll be having 2 sneakers, which you could use to start up your Aglet lifestyle. So we have the collection section, which shows all of the sneakers that you've been getting over time. So that is that on this aspect of this. So here